Hello students, so today in this video you will learn about factors and common factors. So let's begin with the topic. Okay, first just think about what will be the result of 4 added 4 times. Like if we add 4 times, then what will be the result? Result will be 16. And what is the another way of writing 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? It is 4 into 4. That is also 16. Okay. So now just think you have to list the numbers which completely divide 16 and leave the remainder 0. So you have to think for the numbers which completely divide 16. What are they? 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 itself. Okay, so what are these numbers called? Yes, these numbers are called factors, which is our topic for today. Our topic is factors and common factors. So now we'll do one activity to understand our topic. Activity is you can see 6 marbles in front of you. Okay, you have to arrange these marbles into different number of rows so that each row has same number of marbles. How can you arrange? What are the ways you can arrange them in? So basically you can arrange in different ways, like if you have number of rows as 1, then how many number of marbles in each row will be? Each row will be 6. So we see that the total number of marbles covered is 1 into 6, that is 6. Now similarly we can arrange in different manner. How? We can take number of rows as 2 and the number of marbles in each row as 3. So again the total number of marbles will be 6. Okay. Similarly, if we take the number of rows as 3 and the number of marbles in each row to be 2, then again we have the total number of marbles as 3 into 2, that is 6. Similarly, one more way is there. If we have 6 number of rows, then the number of marbles in each row will be 1. So the total number of marbles will be again 6, because 6 into 1 is 6. Now we have seen 4 different cases, like 1 into 6 is equals to 6, 6 into 1 is equals to 6, and also we have seen 3 into 2 is equals to 6, 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So now here what we see is, we see that the numbers this 1 and 6, 6 and 1, these are the numbers which completely divide 6. Right, students? So we say that these numbers 1, 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6, these are the factors of 6. Okay, the numbers which completely divide the given number are called the factors of that number. So what are factors? Factors are the numbers which completely divides the given number. So if we are given a number, I'll say 6, and we see that 1, 2, 3, and 6 completely divide the number 6. So the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 6 are the factors of 6. Also, we can say that in tables, right? You have learned tables in your previous classes. So now you can see 2 threes is 6, 3 6 is 18. So all these numbers which multiply to give some numbers, these numbers are factors. These circled numbers are factors of this number. And what are these numbers called? These numbers are called multiples. Okay, students, these numbers are called factors. I hope you have understood till here. So now let's do one question. We have to find factors of 4 and 2. Now let me write the factors of 4 and 2. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2, right? One is the number which divides every number. So 1 is the factor of every number. And factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. You can see here the common factors in 2 and 4 is 1. Are these the common factors? Yes. So common factors are factors which are which are same in both the set of numbers. Okay, students? Yes. So also if we okay, let's move on to next slide. Let's know some facts about factors. Okay. Okay, we know that 1 is the factor of every number. We have studied this right now, that 1 is a factor of every number. You can see like, let's take one number, say 6 again. We can see if we divide 1 by 6. So 1 divides the 6 completely. 6 is 6, 0. Remainder is 0. This means that 1 is dividing 6 completely. So 1 is a factor of every number. You can try this with any number. Okay. Now also every number is a factor of itself. Means that if we divide any number with itself, we will see that remainder will always be 0. For example, if we divide 6 by 6, what will be the remainder? It will be 6 again. Yes or no? Yes. So, every number is a factor of itself, always. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. This was the definition of factor itself, right? Every factor, for example, factors of 6 were 1, 2, 3, and 6, right? So, 1, 2, 3, and 6 will divide 6 exactly, will be exact divisor of that factor. Okay. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Yes, this is also true. Like if we have to find the factors of 6. So all the factors of 6 are either equal to 6 or less than 6, right? Then the number of factors of a given numbers are finite. Means we can count the number of factors of a given number, which means that they are countable, they are finite. So these were some facts about factors. Okay, let's move on to next slide. So what do you think the common factors are? Common factors are, if we have two numbers, say 3 and 9, and we need to find the common factors for 3 and 9. First we'll find the factors of 3. Factors of 3 are 1, 3. And factors of 9 will be 1, 3 and 9. So the common factors will be 1 is the common and 3 is the common. So 1 and 3 are the common factors of 3 and 9. Okay. Now let me take one more example. Say we have to find the factors of 16 and say let's take 4. Okay. So now how will we find the factors of 16? 16 is a big number, right? We know that factors of 16 is 1. 1 is always the factor of every number, right? We know it is an even number, so 2 is also the factor of 16. Is the 3 a factor of 16? How we will check? We'll divide 3 by 16 and we'll check 3 fives are 15. Is the remainder 0? No. So it is not a factor of 16. Now we know 4 is a factor of 16. And similarly, we can check for other numbers and find the factors for 16. And we'll find that these will be the factors for 16. Okay. Now, what are the factors of 4? We know 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. Now, if we want to find the common factors for these two numbers, what will be the common factors? Common factors will be 1 and 2 and 4. So 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors. Okay, students? Okay. Now let us look at one more example. Say we have to find the common factors for let's say 3 and uh, 7. Let's take. Okay, we have to find the common factors for these number. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3 and factors of 7 are 1 and 7, right? So common factors are only 1. Okay, strange. So the common factors are only 1. So if any 2 or 3 numbers have common factor as only 1, then we say that those two numbers are co-prime numbers. Can we say in our previous example that 3 and 7 are the co-prime numbers? Yes, 3 and 7 are co-prime numbers because they are the numbers which has common factor as only 1. Only 1 as the common factor. They have only 1 as the common factor. Okay? Yes. Now let us take one more example of common factor. Now let's take three numbers. Okay. Okay. So let us find the common factors for 3, 2 and 9. Okay. So let's find the common factors of these three numbers. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2, right? Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9, right? So the common numbers among these three numbers are 1, 1, 1. Now here 3 is here and here, but not here. So 3 is not a common factor. We'll take common factors as those numbers which are common in all the three rows. Okay. So common factors will be only 1. So are these three the co-prime numbers? Yes, these three are the co-prime numbers which have common factor as only 1. Okay. So today what we have studied, let's recap it. Okay, we have studied about factors, common factors and co-prime numbers. Okay, I'm asking you some questions. You can solve them in your notebook also, and I will solve it here also. Okay, which number is called the factor of every number? Think. It is 1. 1 is the factor of every number. The numbers having only 1 as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. Is every number a factor of itself? Yes. Every number is a factor of itself. Can you give an example of it? Yes, of course. If we say we have to find the factors of 6, then 6 is also the factor of 6, right? So every number is a factor of itself. That's great. Okay. Now you can do some homework. You have to write so that you can practice and get prepared for factors and common factors. So you can do this work as assignment. Write factors of all the natural numbers between 25 to 40. Also you can list 4 sets of co-prime numbers now. Also you have to give reasons why are they called co-prime numbers. Okay. Next question is you have to find common factors of 9, 42 and 4. Also you have to write the highest and the greatest common factor among all the common factors. Bye friends, bye students. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.